Good morning. Hello, my dear student of class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are well. I am also well. My dear student, today I am here at present to take a class, especially for the student of class 5. So, my dear student of class 5 and all viewers who are joining with me now, all are welcome to Matiranga Online Primary School. At first, let's introduce myself. I am Monir Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Bhago Karbaripara Government Primary School, Matiranga, Khagrachari. My dear student, today I would like to discuss about with all of you a new chapter from your EFT book, class 5, English, Unit 21. Unit 21. So, my dear student, at very first we all are discuss something. First I ask you some easy question and all are try to give me answer about this question. Okay. My dear student, have you any experience about any journey, any sea beach or any place where maybe a zoo or any attractive place where was you visited? Yes. I think because you all are a student of class 5 and many of you visited any place in our country. Okay, so all of you has some experience about any travel, any place. My dear student, today I would like to discuss about a place from your EFT book. Okay, it's a Cambodia of Scout, Cambodia Cub Scout. So, my dear student, today I would like to discuss chapter Unit 21. It was a great day. Okay, our discussing subject is it was a great day. My dear student, all are write down this topic in your exercise book. Okay. It was a great day. It was a great day. Everyone open your EFT book, page number 82. Page number 82. My dear student, everyone noticed on your book 82 page number. Here are a symbol. Can you tell me what's the name of this symbol? The name of this symbol is Scout symbol. Okay. এখানে একটি প্রতীক দেখা যাচ্ছে। সেই প্রতীকটি কিসের প্রতীক? স্কাউটের প্রতীক। Okay. So, my dear student, today we discuss about Kempuri, Cup Kempuri. Okay. At very first, I read out the text and all are match with your EFT book. Last January, I went to a Cap Kempori. It was my first visit to a Cap Kempori and it was my first time away from home. A Kempori is a gathering of Caps from different parts of Bangladesh. Caps all over the world have their own Kemporis. The Cap Kemporis took place in Srimongol under Maulvibazar district. To get there, we travelled from Dhaka to Srimongol by train. We arrived in the morning, so the weather was nice. We walked to our camp from the train station. Okay. আমরা আজকে এতটুকু পর্যন্তই পড়ব। Now again I read the text with Bangla meaning. Alert again match with your EFT book. Okay. Last January, গত জানুয়ারিতে I went to a Cap Kempori. আমি একটি কাপ সমাবেশে গিয়েছিলাম, স্কাউট সমাবেশে গিয়েছিলাম। It was my first visit to a Cap Kempori. স্কাউট সমাবেশে এটা আমার প্রথম ভ্রমণ। And it was my first time away from home. এবং বাড়ি থেকে দূরে এটাই আমার প্রথম যাওয়া। A Kempori is a gathering of Caps from different parts of Bangladesh. কাপ সমাবেশ হচ্ছে, স্কাউট সমাবেশটা হচ্ছে দেশের বিভিন্ন অঞ্চল থেকে একসাথে একটি সমাবেশ একত্রিত হওয়া। Caps all over the world have their own Kemporis. সারা বিশ্বে স্কাউটদের নিজস্ব সমাবেশ রয়েছে। The Cap Kempori took place. এই সমাবেশটির স্থান নির্ধারণ করা হয়েছিল in শ্রীমঙ্গল আন্ডার মৌলভীবাজার ডিস্ট্রিক্ট, মৌলভীবাজার জেলার শ্রীমঙ্গলে। To get there, we traveled from Dhaka to শ্রীমঙ্গল by train. আমরা সেখানে যাওয়ার জন্য ঢাকা থেকে শ্রীমঙ্গলে যাওয়ার জন্য আমরা ট্রেনে গিয়েছিলাম। We arrived in the morning. আমরা সেখানে সকালে পৌঁছেছিলাম। So the weather was nice. আবহাওয়া ছিল খুব সুন্দর। We walked to our camp from the train station. আমরা ট্রেন স্টেশন থেকে হেঁটে আমাদের ক্যাম্পে পৌঁছেছিলাম। So my dear student, in the text here are many new words. Now we all are find out some new words from our today's text. Okay. First one is away. Away means dure. Away means dure. Another word is take place, means অনুষ্ঠিত হওয়া। অনুষ্ঠিত হওয়া। Travel means ভ্রমণ করা। Arrive means পৌঁছা। Weather means আবহাওয়া। Kempori Kempuri means Shamabesh. My dear student, here are 2, 4 and 6 new words. I write on the board. I read out every word. Everyone listen to me. Away, dure, take place, onustita hawa, travel, Brahman kora, arrive, faucha, weather, abuhawa, Kempuri, Shamabesh. Okay. My dear student, now we all are trying to practice something from today's lesson. Today we know some information from Cup Kempuri took place in Srimangal. So now we practice some true or false from our today's text. Okay. Number A, our word is true and or false. True or false. The calf went to Srimangal by bus. If the sentence is true, we write true in the box. If the sentence is false, we write false in the box. Okay. Number B, the Kempuri took place in Srimangal. If the sentence true, we write true. If the sentence false, we write false in the box. Okay. Number C, the word scout is similar to the word calf. Student, here are 3 sentences. Here are 3 sentences I take from your EFT book from our today's lesson. Now we discuss about this sentence, true or false. Okay. First sentence is the calves went to Srimangal by bus. The calves went to Srimangal by bus. Is true or false? It's false because the calves went to Srimangal by train. But here are say bus. So it's false. Number B. The Cambodia took place in Srimangal. It's true. The sentence is true because we know about the sentence from your text that the Cambodia took place in Srimangal. This is true. Number C. The word scout is similar what ka. The word scout is similar to what ka. This is true. So we write in the box true. Okay. My dear student, here are 3 sentences. Now again, I read out the sentence and say correct answer. Okay. Everyone, again listen to me carefully. Number A, the cubs went to Srimangal by bus. It's false. Number B, the Cambodia took place in Srimangal. This is true. Number C, the word scout is similar to word ka. This is true. Okay. My dear student, all are carefully read the text from last January to came from the train station. From last January to the train station. Here's your homework. All are read the text carefully. Okay. So my dear student, all are try to stay at home with your parents and follow the rules, health rules. Okay. So now for today, thank you all.